Hey there TRW crew, Matt Vasallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So this video is going to show you how to update your TRW Stone Editor. So we've been working on it and we've now released our X64 or X6 64-bit version of our TRW Stone Editor, and we also made a couple changes to it that you're going to be able to just go to your account on the rhinestoneworld.com website and go ahead and upgrade your TRW Stone Editor that you've already purchased. So if you're on our website, you're just going to go to the TRW Rhinestone software macros, and you'll have three different options there. You'll have your TRW Stone Editor version 1.0, your TRW Stone Editor version 1.1, which is our newest one with all of the upgrades on it, and then we have our upgrade from 1.0 to 1.1. So if you bought the initial 1.0 and then you had gotten the upgrade to upgrade it to the 1.1, then that's this one here. So you have three different versions here. So if you haven't purchased any of the macros yet, you're just going to purchase this 1.1 version right here. Or if you've just purchased the 1.1 version from us, then you're just going to go right up here to the top left and go sign in, and you're going to enter your email and your password to sign into your account on our website. And just go to your purchase and you're going to see a new file there to download. And the file is actually an application, so it's an installer, so it's going to automatically install it to your computer for you. So you won't have to do all of the folder searching and stuff like you had to before. Now, if you started with the 1.0 and then upgraded to the 1.1, you are going to have to find just get your old order from when you ordered the 1.0, and you're going to install, you'll be able to click on it and find the file. You're going to install that file on your computer, and then you're going to go to when you purchased the $20 upgrade for the 1.1, and then just install that. So when you install the 1.0, it's going to give you the basic features, and then make sure you go to your order when you upgraded it to the 1.1 and click on that file, and that's going to upgrade this 1.0 to the 1.1 version. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's just say we went in there and we downloaded the actual files. So I saved them to my downloads folder, and you'll see them here. So let's say you're upgrading and you had the 1.0. You would just click there, and then you would see also when you from your other order the 1.0 to 1.1 upgrade. So very easy. All you're going to do is click on the 1.0, just double click it and hit yes, and it's going to automatically find, the installer is going to automatically find what versions of Corel you have on your computer. So on this computer we have CorelDRAW X4 and CorelDRAW X6 64-bit, and I'm just going to hit install. And I already have it installed on here, but I'm just going to overwrite it so it installs it again, and overwrite it and close. And then we have the upgraded version. So right now I just have 1.0 installed on the computer, and I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what that looks like real quick, just so you can see the difference between the two. So I'm going to open CorelDRAW here and just click on new document, and I'm going to close this out to show you how you get that there. Because instead of having an actual macro, we have it as a Docker now. So you're just going to go up to the Windows here, and you're going to go to Dockers, and then you'll see TRW Stone Editor 1.0. Click on it, and there it is. So it's right here. It's got your drop down for everything. It's built in. It's got your video tutorials, your shop TRW, and then you can just minimize it so when you're working it's not in your way. Just click on it to pull it open, and you can do all of your stuff right there. Perfect, okay? So that's to get the 1.0, and that was in X6 64-bit, and we're actually just using a trial edition right now. So now we want to upgrade the 1.0 to the 1.1, and we had purchased that on the website and downloaded it to this folder. So I'm just going to double click here and hit yes, and it went ahead and just upgraded the 1.0 to the 1.1 for me. So I'm going to hit close, and now I'm going to go back into CorelDRAW, and you'll see that it made all those changes for us already. So you didn't have to go delete files and add files and do all of that stuff that you had to before. Look at it now. Now it upgraded it to the 1.1 version. So now it has everything in here. It's got your Resize design, replace, same color, same size, select same color and size. We added a new bonus feature for you at no charge, and it's called our 2-color magic text. I'll show you how that works. Then we have our text on path, our text spacing. We also added an up and down text spacing for you. We got our add wheat box, our duplicate, our group ungroup, the design stone info, our mock-up right there, our video tutorials, our shop TRW, and our font finder. So real quick, I'm just going to show you what this 2-color magic text does. So let's just say we have SHS, right? And we're going to use one of our TRW 2-color fonts. That's what the 2-color magic text works for. So we're going to go to fonts and we're going to type in TRW. And we're going to use our TRW2 Zebra rhinestone font. So we see our SHS there. We're going to move the spacing in a little bit. Just click on that, see how it's moving it in, making it a little bit tighter. And then what I'm going to do, instead of going duplicate and then double click and then retype everything, all you have to do is click on the design, go over to 2-color magic text, click it, and there it goes. Now it's going to automatically turn it orange. We just wanted it to turn orange so it shows it has a different color, but you can see how easy that was. Now we're just going to highlight it. We're going to want it to be SS10s. We're going to resize the design, and it resized it for us already. If it looks like some of those are ovals, no problem. Highlight it all, replace the stones. Very good. We want our spacing a little bit closer. Highlight it all, drag it down a little bit, replace stones. That got our spacing closer. Let's say we wanted to change that black to a cobalt blue. Select one of them, select same color. Come down here, we changed our color option around a little bit so it's easier to see. Let's say we wanted to change it to cobalt blue, click there, and now all of them are the cobalt blue. So again, all the same features. We did add the text spacing up and down. We added the 2-color magic text, which is a huge bonus. Obviously, we still have the mock-ups, everything else in there, our design stone info. So if you highlighted it all, pulled up your design stone info, it's going to have all your measurements, your stone counts, everything. And then obviously it's a lot easier when it's a Docker over here, a lot better looking, doesn't get in the way as much when you're working in your software. And when you're not working on it, you can easily just minimize it over there. You can see it right over there easily. You're working on a design. You know what? I want to make this SS16s real quick. Just pull up the editor, highlight it, click it to SS16s, resize the design, and you're done. Minimize it back down, and it's gone again, but it's still right there for easy use. So these are the upgrades that we have added, and we're still working on the TRW Stone Wizard, but we know a lot of you have been asking for the X6 64-bit version, which is obviously what we're working in right here, the 64-bit version of CorelDRAW X6. But we added all these upgrades for you, free of charge, to make it easier for you, all of you that have already purchased it. The Wizard we haven't released yet, but this is a program that a lot of you already have in your hands and wanted it a little bit easier, so we spent some time this last week to get all these changes made for you for the program you're already working with, and now we'll get back to work on the Wizard to try and get that out as soon as possible. So if you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. Again, this is Matt with the rhinestoneworld.com, and you guys all have a great day.